was wondering if I could partake in the viewing of a motion picture this evening.
A movie?
You want to see a movie?
Yes.
You know you can't have fun. We don't allow fun in this house.
I know.
Did you do your chores?
Yes, sir.
Did you leave the toilet bowl clean?
Yes, sir.
Did you eat all the trash out of the garbage can?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, don't raise your voice back at us and get the belt.
Oh, I'm getting the belt.
I'm getting
Don't
the
get
belt.
the belt.
No, you know it's against the rules to ask for fun. Now take these whippings.
What do you mean?